Good morning, guys. This is Dr. Binh with Healthy Feet Podiatry, and we got another special treat for you today. I got a gentleman here who stepped on a nail approximately 6 months ago. Screw. Sorry, screw. Not a nail, but a screw. Healed up perfectly, and then he showed up to my office a month later with a blowhole. All right, James, your job is to assist me, okay?
Yeah.
So, just clean it out. Correct. Okay, that's good. So there's a lot of goop in here. Generally, principles of wound care: you keep it clean, you keep it covered, and you stay off of it. And he's done all the above, and yet 3 times a day, and yet it's not getting any better. So we might just clean it and sew it up. Yeah.
Pads.
Yeah.
So it's not like in a box where
So we're not seeing
like I said,
anything
I
here.
the pain, so I was standing.
And it's hurting you too, huh? So yeah.
On it,
So I tell all my patients, your foot's like a lawn. Anytime you have a wound, your foot's like a lawn. And I tell all my patients with wounds like this. Okay, so number one, you weed the yard out, and so the good grass goes in. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm literally cutting all the weeds out, all the dead skin, so the good grass goes in. Okay, so the good skin goes in. Okay, number two, he's been doing all the wound care at home, so that's the pesticides, that's the fertilization, that's the antibiotic cream. So again, like I said,
but you can't walk
to provide.
on bloody grass.
Yeah, that's the next thing. You tell the kids to stay off the lawn, right? But that's usually the number one problem with a lot of my patients. They have a huge, really hard time staying off of it.
So there must be something coming out because I'm watching your face.
No.
I see a little bit of an expression.
No.
Just blood. It's actually pretty clean.
Oh, good.
Yeah,
Compare
just
that
blood,
one photo
no
to
gunk.
Oh, yeah.
his life.
Okay, so we took a little break there just so I can find myself a little ruler. We measured the wound out to be 0.6 centimeters. All right, so the way we close wounds is you measure 0.6 centimeters out to the top and 0.6 centimeters out to the bottom, and then you can kind of see if you I made like a sideways eye. That way I have enough skin on both sides just to kind of close it. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna cut it out, flush it out really well, and then close it, okay? Because we're sick and tired of this bad boy being open, and he's sick and tired of it too, so we're gonna cut it out, okay? Dab, yep, good job. Actually, I need some pickups. So in essence, we're gonna close this hole by creating a bigger one. If that makes sense at all. Okay, and once we get the pickups, we'll pull these out.
Well, you have better tissue to work with, right? And
Yep.
that's it, yeah.
Exactly, more tissue. Who keeps texting me?
Dr. Brennan being on call tomorrow.
Okay, perfect. Thanks, buddy. All right. There we go. Look. We'll have James flush it out really well too. Want to dab real quick, James?
Yeah.
There, see? And it's gonna close nice and easy like that, or nice and tight. Okay, let's flush. Flushing, the actual, the saline itself doesn't really matter. It's the flushing mechanism that's that kind of gets all the bacteria out.
No, you're fine.
All right.
Especially if he needs it like that. So.
Oh yeah.
That's all right. I get tired after a while.
All right, James, it'd be a lot better instead of holding his foot up if he went up and held his hands. Looks like he's about to cry up there.
Oh,
Please. So we're gonna throw some horizontal mattress sutures here. That way, a little bit more. A little more sturdy. Helps it heal a little bit better too. I forget the exact science behind it, but that's what I learned in plastic surgery.
feeling better? Good.
Anything to help him heal it better at this point. Alright, so just to be clear, imagine an eggshell on the bottom of your foot, right where this is, okay? You walk on it, boom, it's gonna bust right open, alright?
Mm-hmm. You guys must be really good at tying fishing knots.
Nope. You'd have to catch fishes, or actually go fishing, right? I forget I have help.
Never know enough about materials to do engineering.
There's an engineer on YouTube recently. He went super viral. He made that package. Did you see the package one?
Oh, with the spinning.
With
yeah,
the spinning glitter.
Oh my gosh, I was looking up.
That was awesome.
I found that looking up. I was looking up servo drives for another machine.
That was awesome.
I found that. I was like, look at that.
What does the package do?
So you know how people like steal packages off of porches and stuff?
Yeah.
He made a package where if you opened it, it would shoot glitter all over you and started shooting like
No way.
Spray.
It's
And
on.
it had 4 cameras on it, so it recorded the whole thing in a very customized GPS thing that was in the bottom of it.
Oh, that's cool.
All right, let's clean them up. Everything look good. So nice and reapproximated. Okay, that should heal up nicely. Okay. Thanks for tuning in, guys. This is Dr. Binh with Healthy Feet Podiatry. This should heal up nicely. So of course, 2 weeks from now, he's gonna come back. I'm gonna make sure as long as he stays up, it should heal up nicely. Again, think of an egg shell being right on the bottom of your foot. You step on it, it's gonna bust right open. Anything else you wanna add, James?
No, just stay off of it.
Stay off of it. Okay, that's the key. All right, take care, guys. Bye.